Welcome to part one of a three-part series of videos created to teach you how to install the SMP folding client on a virtual machine in Linux. My name is Travis Power and I fold under the alias of Porvalsh for Team32 out of overclockers.com. This first video will show you how to install VMware Player 3.0, the software that we are going to use to create our virtual machine. The first thing we want to do is download the software. Go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to vmware.com. Hover over Support and Downloads and select VMware Player. On this screen you can see that version 3.0 is the latest version. Came out a few months ago. Go ahead and click on that and proceed down to download. 32-bit and 64-bit Windows use the same download file. Now this will take you to a screen where your login is required. If you don't have a login, you'll need to register here. The software is free, but VMware requires you to create an account with them first. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll come to a screen which says you need to activate your download via email. This is what the email looks like. You've got Activate Evaluation Now, and also a link to where to download it. Go ahead and click on the binary exe file, 89 megabytes for the 32 and 62-bit installation. Save it. You can see I already downloaded and saved it. Once your download has completed, go ahead and navigate to it using Windows Explorer and double click it to start the installation. Next, if you want to change the path, go ahead. Pick your options here. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. Click Continue, and it's off and running. Now, one of the advantages to using VMware Player 3.0 is that it has support for quad cores and 8 threads. So instead of running multiple VMs, you can just run one single VM and use up nearly 100% of your CPU when folding. This isn't a luxury we had until recently. Okay, and after a few moments, VMware Player has completed the installation. You can choose to restart later or restart now. This also concludes part 1 of this video tutorial. Please look for parts 2 and 3. In part 2, we'll be installing Ubuntu, and in part 3, we'll be installing the SMP client.